Quiz videos are making people thousands of dollars every single month. Not with their face on camera, not with fancy gear or studio setups, just questions. Faceless, fast, and addictive. Now, I know what you're thinking. Quiz channels don't get monetized, right? Nope, wrong. Daily Riddle, monetized. Bob Quizzes, monetized. The Smart Quiz, monetized. These aren't luck plays. They're systems, and you're about to see how it works. What YouTube actually rejects is low effort, cookie cutter junk. Countdowns with no voice, no context, no originality. But if you add value, explain your answers, use voice, add emotion, curiosity, surprise, that's what gets you monetized. That's what gets people to stay. Let me show you how I do it. The tool is called ShortMake. This isn't some Fiverr gig. It's not a template pack. It's a full-on AI content studio. All right. Here's how you actually do it. Super simple. First, go to Create Quiz. You can pick a language, and yeah, there's a bunch, but we're gonna keep it real and click English because you speak English, I think, I hope. Next, tap quiz ideas. Now listen, if you click Generate Prompt Ideas, that's gonna cost you 2 points. And if you're like me, we don't waste points. We stretch them like rent money. So here's the cheat code. Open up ChatGPT, get some ideas. This is what it gave me to use. So type in something like, create a quiz about general knowledge questions that most people should get right, but often get wrong. You want to trigger a brain fart. Get people second guessing themselves. Make them pause mid-scroll like, wait, what? That's how you win attention. Copy that prompt, paste it in, boom, free idea, no points wasted. Now pick your video duration, short, medium, or long, flexible, totally up to you. Then hit next. Now pick your characters. You can get creative or just click random and keep it pushing. Next up, set your number of questions. You got it? You want it fast and punchy? Pick 3. You want to test their whole soul? Go 10. Just make sure you set the video length to 90 seconds for longer quizzes. Then decide if you want a scoring system. You can turn it on or off. No rules, all customization. Once that's locked in, hit generate. Now sit back. The AI is doing the heavy lifting. Voiceover, captions, pacing, animations, all done for you. But here's the best part. If something feels off, you can edit every section before finalizing. Tweak the script, switch the voice, change the visuals. It's all drag and drop, zero editing headaches. Then when you're happy with how it looks, hit generate again, and bam, your video is done, just like that. No filming, no recording, no excuses. Now post it.
And I'm here with iShowSpeed.
It auto-generates a full video with captions, music, pacing, and delivery. Now, maybe you're thinking, this niche is oversaturated. Everybody's doing quizzes. But here's the truth. Most of them quit after video 5. They never test new angles. They don't stay consistent. You want to stand out? Be consistent, be different, and let ShortMake handle the heavy lifting. One upload, then another, different angles every time. One of them will hit, guaranteed. Next up, create story video. This is for people who want to go deeper. Drop in your idea. ShortMake builds a vertical story with captions and visuals. Now, if you're still thinking, I don't have time to edit all this stuff, that's exactly the point. You don't edit anything. ShortMake builds the entire video for you. You're not spending hours slicing up B-roll. You're just clicking, generating, uploading. You're not trying to be a YouTuber. You're building a content machine. Price plans are coming up. Just give me 1 sec. But maybe you thought AI content doesn't go viral. People want real faces, real energy, real voices, right? It's not about whether you used AI. It's about whether you held their attention. And that's what ShortMake was built for. You've also got create avatar video for creating a talking version of yourself.
This is the face optional era of content creation.
Create voiceover for generating clean audio with no mic needed, and create baby image, which sounds wild but gets massive engagement on TikTok and Reels.
You're gonna hear about my party. They're gonna be shutting them down. They're gonna probably be arresting me, doing all types of crazy things just because we want to have a good time.
Let's talk money real quick. Let's say you pay $50 a month, because that's the plan that I use. That's $1.66 a day. Less than coffee, less than your DoorDash tip. Now imagine one quiz pulls 100,000 views. You drop an affiliate link or a product in the description. That one video could 10x your monthly investment. Easy. It's all about attention, right? Even if it doesn't, you're getting better, faster, smarter. The ideas will come clicking. If you really want this. And stacking uploads every single day. This is a numbers game. And ShortMake lets you play more hands. So here's what you do next. Click the link in the description. Use my code ShortMake10. You'll get 10% off right now while it's still in beta. This isn't about hype. It's about execution. You've got proof. You've got a process. Now you just need to move. Drop your first quiz, then another, and don't stop until one hits. Subscribe if you're serious, because I'm building a channel in public using nothing but this tool. And if you want to copy me, now's your shot. Let's run it.